how this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video, very short video. I'm gonna show you some sticker transparent I bought for my car for protection the edges. So let's see, here you can see, take off from this part to show you closer. You see how they are for protection. You can put as the edge of your car so it will hit with the wall or other things. It will save you some dollar, protect the color and the body of your car. Door of the car, edge of the door of your car or different edges, you can put this one lovely. There's another so 4 I have bought. So these are very cheap product but good for your car. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.